video, we are going to see that if you want to connect your Discord application directly to your Xbox application and join in the voice chat, here is a quick fix for you. What you can do is just click on the U button. If you are on the home tab, just click on the U button. And once we are in here, you need to head over to the top right corner which says settings gear icon. And once we are in here, again in the account settings, just go ahead and click on connections right here. If you see it on the front, that's best, but otherwise just click on plus 18 apps because you are able to connect with any of the popular applications from here. And here is your Xbox application. Just click on that and click on get started. You need to sign in with your Xbox account. Just click on sign in. So basically what it does is as soon as you sign in with your Microsoft account to connect your Xbox, it will directly connect it in Discord using an API, and you should be able to join the voice chat and connect with the Xbox directly to your Discord account. So pretty straightforward process here, guys. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.